Listen, if your camera roll is full of screenshots of places you wish you could go, but your bank account and your habits say otherwise, this video is for you. Because 2026 isn't just another year to scroll past other people's vacations. It's your chance to actually live one. Not the perfect trip, not the Instagram influencer version. A real trip. One you worked for, planned for, and actually took. So in this video, I'm going to give you a real step-by-step guide to traveling in 2026. No fantasy, no unrealistic expectations, just a plan that actually works. First things first, step 1, decide that you're actually going. This sounds simple, but this is where most people fail. They say, I want to travel, I need a vacation, or I'll go someday. But someday turns into next year, then the year after that, and suddenly time just passed you by. So make it real. Pick a place. It could be somewhere like New York City if you want something fast-paced and exciting. Or somewhere like Greece if you want views that don't even look real in person. It doesn't matter where. What matters is that you decide I'm going here in 2026. That decision alone changes everything. Step 2, give your trip a purpose. Here's something people don't talk about enough. Trips hit different when they actually mean something. Maybe you want to reconnect with family, travel with your friends before life gets busy, take your first solo trip and prove something to yourself, or just take a break because you've been grinding nonstop. Whatever it is, give your trip a reason. Because when things get expensive or inconvenient, and they will, that purpose is what keeps you committed. Step 3, get honest about your money. All right, this is the part that people like to skip, but this is what makes it possible. You don't need to be rich to travel, but you do need a plan. Figure out how much the trip will realistically cost: flights, hotel, food, activities, and extra money. Let's say your trip costs $1,200. If you have 6 months to plan, that's $200 a month. Break that down even more, that's about $50 a week. That's where it becomes real. That's eating out one less time. That's a few extra hours doing something like side work or deliveries. That's choosing your future trip over short-term spending. It's not about having money, it's about directing your money. Step 4, book early, even if it's uncomfortable. This is where things start to feel real. Book the flight, reserve the hotel, even if it makes you a little nervous. Because once it's booked, you're not just thinking about traveling anymore, you're committed. Whether it's a flight to Miami for a quick getaway or a bigger trip like Barcelona for culture, food, and nightlife. Booking early usually means better prices, more options, less stress later. And most importantly, it locks you in. Step 5, plan just enough, but not too much. Here's the mistake people make. They either plan nothing or they try to plan every second. You don't need a minute-by-minute schedule. Just lock in where you're staying. 2 to 3 main things you want to do, like seeing the Eiffel Tower, walking through Central Park, visiting beaches or local food spots. Leave space for randomness, because some of the best moments, they're not planned. They're the random conversations, the wrong turns, the unexpected spots you find. Step 6, go with people or go alone, but just go. If you've got friends or family willing to travel, take that trip. Those are the moments you'll talk about for years. But if nobody's available, go anyway. Solo travel might feel intimidating, but it builds confidence faster than almost anything else. You learn how to navigate new places, make decisions on your own, actually enjoy your own company. And you come back different. Step 7, accept that not everything will go perfectly. This is important. Flights might get delayed, plans might change, something might go wrong. But those moments, they usually turn into the best stories. Nobody remembers the perfect trip. They remember the time things went wrong and you figured it out, the laughs, the chaos, the unexpected moments. That's what makes travel real. Now let me tell you something honestly. You're not going to remember every random day you stayed home, but you will remember the first time you saw a place you've only seen online. The laughs with your friends or family. The moment you realized, I really did this. That's what you're working toward. You don't need perfect timing. You don't need unlimited money. You don't need everything figured out. You just need a decision, a plan, and the willingness to follow through. So in 2026, book the trip, save the money, take the chance. If this video gave you that push you needed, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel motivation and guides, and drop a comment. Where are you going in 2026? Let's make it happen.